Your BT YouView Box offers two main ways to connect to the internet: Wi-Fi and Ethernet. Each method has distinct advantages depending on your setup and streaming needs. The BT YouView Box supports both wired Ethernet and wireless Wi-Fi connections. Let's examine each method to help you choose the best option for your home setup. Ethernet provides the most stable connection method. With speeds up to 1 gigabit per second and minimal latency, it's the preferred choice for streaming high-quality 4K and 8K content or gaming. Setting up Ethernet is straightforward. Connect an Ethernet cable from your BT Smart Hub to the YouView Box. Then navigate to the network settings and select Wired Connection with Automatic Configuration. Wi-Fi offers flexible placement without cable constraints and supports modern mesh network systems. To connect via Wi-Fi, navigate to the wireless settings, select your BT network, and enter the password found on your Smart Hub label. The system will automatically configure the connection. Different content types require different internet speeds. HD content needs at least 5 megabits per second. 4K content requires 25 megabits per second, and 8K content needs 50 megabits per second or more. Choose Ethernet for the most stable connection, especially for 4K, 8K streaming, or gaming. Wi-Fi works well for HD content and offers more flexibility in device placement. Both methods are compatible with all modern BT Smart Hub models. Now that your BT YouView Box is connected, optimizing your connection ensures the best streaming experience. Understanding bandwidth requirements and troubleshooting common issues will help you get the most from your setup. Different streaming qualities require specific bandwidth amounts. Standard definition needs 2 to 3 megabits per second. High definition requires 5 to 8 megabits per second. 4K Ultra HD uses 25 to 30 megabits per second, and 8K content demands 50 to 80 megabits per second. Modern BT Smart Hubs automatically prioritize YouView traffic, but you can manually configure quality of service settings. This includes gaming mode for reduced latency, streaming optimization for consistent bandwidth, and family time controls for bandwidth management. The most common BT YouView connection problems in 2025 are Wi-Fi password errors at 32%, network congestion at 28%, outdated router firmware at 18%, and physical connection problems at 15%. For Wi-Fi issues, ensure your router firmware is up to date and consider using a mesh network to improve coverage, especially in larger homes. Check your network password and look for interference from other devices. For Ethernet connection problems, check the cable and port for any physical damage. Look for bent connectors, damaged insulation, or loose connections. Replace damaged cables immediately, as they can cause intermittent connection issues. If problems persist after trying these solutions, contact BT Technical Support for assistance. They can provide advanced diagnostics and help resolve complex network issues that require professional intervention. By understanding bandwidth requirements, optimizing your quality of service settings, and knowing how to troubleshoot common issues, you can ensure your BT YouView Box delivers the best possible streaming experience.